You find it best to take the lens cap off of this?
I put my flying buddy John in charge of filming me getting Oscar Romeo ready for flight. And this is what he shot. Thanks, John. In fairness, it's a classic videographer's mistake, where you press record when you mean stop, and stop, well, yes, you get the picture. Never mind, I was in charge of the GoPros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, they're all working.
Golf Oscar Romeo, lined up, ready for departure.
Oscar Romeo, clear for takeoff, runway 10, wind 090 degrees, 9 knots.
Clear for takeoff, Golf Oscar Romeo, we're rolling.
So we're on the roll, we've got temperatures and pressures in the green, no warning lights, SEMS and suction. Got 50 knots, we'll try and take it up to about 65. It's eager to go though. And we'll just ease it off here now. Bit of shimmy. There she goes. She was a bit reluctant to come up initially.
Yeah.
We're a bit heavy though, aren't we?
We've got a lot of weight on, and they love their fleet of TB20s. I've never seen so many, there must be a word.
Takeoff time is 3-2. Flaps are up, temperatures and pressures are in the green. And we're just approaching 500 feet, so I'm going to make a turn around now.
Carcassonne de Fox Golf Echo Fox Hotel, bonjour. Fox Golf Echo Fox Hotel, Carcassonne, bonjour. Cessna 172 au parking l'aviation générale, consigne Charlie reçu, consigne pour un décollage pour un vol sur les Pyrénées. Fox Hotel, transpondeur 1260, roulez point d'attente alpha, piste 10. 1260, je roule point alpha.
Stop flashing stuff up at me. Go away.
Does it all the time, doesn't it?
Golf Oscar Romeo, confirmé exit point.
Exit point will be VRP November Charlie, Golf Oscar Romeo.
Roger.
So I suppose I ought to head for that.
I suppose that's the general idea, yeah.
Carcassonne, hello, trainer 34 X3 Yankee.
Actually, I'm going to change that.
10 inbound. Trainer 34 X-ray Yankee, Carcassonne, bonjour. QNH 1017, report 4 miles final 10. Report 4 miles final 10, just confirm we could descend with the procedure. Say again, please. We could descend with the procedure, Trainer 34 X-ray Yankee. Approved.
Fine here.
Yeah. Golf Oscar Romeo, change of plan. Request routing Whiskey Alpha.
Oscar Romeo, report Whiskey Alpha.
Report Whiskey Alpha, Golf Oscar Romeo. So that's slightly better for our route, and I don't want to go towards that mountain.
CQ3, procède taxiway. Je procède taxiway.
Folks, we're on the climb out from Carcassonne. John, do you want to fill people in on our route today?
Our route today, we are off to initially Limoges, where we're going to stop for lunch, and then from there we're going to go on north and land at Le Mans. We'll overnight, and then we'll make a decision what we're going to do tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we do know where we're going.
We do now.
We do now.
I didn't know when I woke up. It was in I was in your hands. Okay, 100 to go. Ryanair's coming into land now. He's on long final.
You see him on your screen.
Yeah.
Ryanair 34 X-ray Yankee, runway 10, clear to land, wind 080 degrees, 13 knots. Clear to land 10, Ryanair 34 X-ray Yankee.
There he is, he's low down there. See him?
I've got him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got him.
Fuel pump comes off. Done a bit of carb heat nonsense. Routing direct GAI.
Golf Oscar Romeo, flight information available on Toulouse information 121.250. See you.
Roger, we are at Whiskey now and changing to 121.250. Thanks for your help. Toulouse information, this is Golf Bravo Hotel Oscar Romeo.
Station appelant, répétez. Station calling, say again.
Golf Bravo Hotel Oscar Romeo.
Roger, Oscar Romeo. Call you back short, sir.
We are Class Echo here.
Golf Bravo Hotel Oscar
So-
Romeo, passing message.
Climbing to 65, flight level 65.
Golf Oscar Romeo is a PA28, 2 POB, destination is Limoges from Carcassonne. We routing via Golf Alpha India and request flight level 65.
Roger, Golf Bravo Hotel Oscar Romeo, you can climb flight level 65. Squawk on 7043 and the QNH is 1017.
1017, squawking 7043 and clear to climb to flight level 65. Thank you, Golf Delta. Golf Oscar Romeo. Go, up you go.
We're on our way up. I like Carcassonne, did you?
Superb, wasn't it?
Yeah. It was very quiet in the town though.
Yeah. Almost closed down. We walked
Yeah.
back, wasn't it? 9 o'clock.
But we found somewhere nice to have something to eat, didn't we? And a nice little courtyard.
It was very good. Yeah, really good. Not too busy. They were open for business, one of the few, it looked like.
And then the thunderstorms, they laid all the tables
Yeah.
outside in the courtyard. And then the thunderstorm started rumbling, and you saw them, as quickly as they'd laid the tables, they were unlaying them again. Which I think was, well, it was premature, because it was just a bit of noise, wasn't it? We didn't get any rain there.
No, they quickly came out and laid them back up again, they noticed. Now, when we get up to Galac,
Yes. We could ask for a direct
we
Limoges.
could
Yeah.
see what they say.
There's nothing in the way, is there? There's a bit of restricted area. Where does that go? No, well, we'd avoid that too if we went direct.
Yeah, we'd have to just go around that.
Yeah. Got a tailwind today.
Got a little bit, haven't we?
Yeah.
You've got 90 knots there and 96 I've got showing.
Temperature's quite high actually. Just gonna bring that back a bit. Put that up. We're nearly there anyway.
Backed off a little bit already.
And I'm in a cruise climb, I'm not.
You're not pushing it, are you?
No.
Outside though, 18.
It's quite warm, isn't it?
Oil pressure's steady.
Yeah. I can feel the engine's quite hot because it's hot on my feet.
Yeah, it feeds back, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This long sustained climb up to flight level 65 in these hot conditions is putting strain on the engine. I'm in a cruise climb to increase airflow over the cylinders. I've reduced RPM a little and I've re-enriched the mixture to help with cooling. Meanwhile, just as a precaution, I'm scoping out landing options in case the temperature rise is anything sinister.
Got Toulouse to our left, just in case that continues.
Got a couple of options.
Where's our...
Papa, je vous écoute.
We've got a couple quite near to us. That is quite hot coming through my feet.
Pour la mission photo Est Toulouse, puis vertical l'aéroport 1700 pieds. Et on est à 4000 pieds.
Got grass down there, 700 metres.
Reçu, Fox Bravo Victor Tango Papa. Eh bien, pour l'instant, vous allez afficher un code
once you
VFR
level off,
classique
it will be alright.
7041.
It'll cool down.
Le
It's still well in the
QNH
green.
1017. Et quelle est la route pour rejoindre la zone de travail?
Steady, isn't it?
Not moving. I don't think there's any issues. But let's get it level. Stable. It's stable. It's in the higher sector, but it's not out of the green. The oil pressure is
I think it's
good.
gone down a little bit.
Yeah, it has. Oil pressure's good.
Just going to keep mixture rich for a bit, just to keep it cool. Tiny bit back. Just ease it back a bit, just give it a bit of a break.
The temperatures eventually settled down. We gave the engine a little rest once we reached cruise altitude, and then we resumed normal operations.
All temperatures come back.
Yeah. A bit better, isn't it?
Yep.
Let's get us up to 65%. And we need to change fuel tanks here, so it's 903, 900.
You know I'm a fan of the service we get from French air traffic control. Well, on this trip they demonstrated a new service they've been trialling: mind reading.
Do you want to ask them, is it necessary to deviate for restricted area 202 Bravo? But do they know if that parachute...
Oscar Romeo, with this heading, you will go into the Calus area, Romeo 202. You have to avoid it, so I suggest you turn either 15 degrees to the left or 15 to the right.
Roger, we will avoid there. We'll turn 15 degrees to the left and go round it. Thanks for the advice, Golf Oscar Romeo. We got it.
We're both on the,
right.
we're almost feeling each other, weren't we?
Yeah.
Looking back at this footage, I realised that I'm truly privileged to be able to fly myself on adventures like this. Getting a pilot's licence involves hard work and can be expensive. Keeping current isn't cheap either. But in terms of learning the skill, almost anyone can do it. And if you don't fly currently, and videos like this create even a spark of interest in you, go and give it a try. 8 years ago, I did just that, and look at me now.
Mosh Tower, Golf Bravo Hotel, Oscar Romeo inbound, flight level 65, we have Echo 1019, and we're top of descent.
Golf Oscar Romeo, report established long final runway 03, November Hotel 1019.
Fuel is on the left tank, which is the fullest. We've got the fuel pump on. We're enriching slowly. Radio's tuned and identified. Engine temperatures, pressures are in the green. We've got carb heat on. Direction indicator 31 something or other. About there. It's runway 03. We're in a good descent. We've got QNH 1019. And we're going down to 2,300 feet. Golf Oscar Romeo, final 03 to land.
Golf Oscar Romeo, clear to land runway 03, wind 0507 knots.
Clear to land 03, Golf Oscar Romeo. Okay, carb heat coming away now. We're stable. .050 at 9 or so, wasn't it?
That's off.
Got clearance, the runway's clear. And there's final approach speed. Bit firm.
Yeah, it's okay. We can use it again this afternoon.
I don't know about you, young man, but I found that very enjoyable.
I like the bit young man, that's good. Yeah, it was excellent actually, hour and a half up from Carcassonne. Smooth flight all the way.
Very straightforward.
Yeah.
Very
Brilliant.
straightforward. So the plan is to get some food and then off to Le Mans after lunch.
That's the plan.
So food.
Food next.
Follow our noses. Let's
That
go.
way.
Right, let's do it.